Now? Yes. Are you there? Yes. Gen Z, are you there? Yes. I want to thank you guys because you have made us wake up from our slumber. Yes. As leaders, we have heard you, but I want to caution you. Anybody who will be going to the street tomorrow, please don't destroy properties, don't burn our roads. That's our request, because people, they have put a lot of effort into getting what they have, especially the public outside here. Yes, for the leaders, they would have stolen from you people, but for sure, you have woken up the country from where it was. We are determined to make sure we have gotten the country moving forward. God willing, we'll get a solution. Kwa hivyo tafadhali naomba Gen Z, kesho kama mko katika maandamano around the country, msiharibu mali, wacha kuchoma barabara, kwa sababu ni pesa zenu. Zile mnalia kwa sababu kweli mmesema kwamba the future ni nani atalipa yale madeni ambayo sisi tumechukua. Kwa hivyo naomba tafadhali nyote mfanye kwa amani.